Famous Japanese car manufacturer Toyota is now planning to bring an all-new 7-seater SUV for the Indian market named as RAS. The upcoming RAS is bigger than Creta and Ertiga, but smaller than BRV. It could be positioned under Toyota Fortuner, as the company doesn't have any SUV in India below the Fortuner. Toyota is already selling the RAS in some other Asian markets like Malaysia, Philippines, Saudi Arabia. The Toyota RAS has been seen testing several times in the Indian soil recently. Though there is no confirmations from the company yet about the launch date of RAS in India, we expect that the SUV will come to the Indian market in the middle of 2022 at the expected price between rupees 10 to 15 lakhs ex-showroom. Talking about the power, the RAS is now available in only one engine options globally. The 1496cc 1.5-liter 4-cylinder inline 16-valve DOHC with dual VVTi petrol engine that develops 104 PS of power at 6000 rpm and 136 Nm of peak torque at 4200 rpm. The engine is mated to an optional 5-speed manual or 4-speed AMT transmission. In terms of dimension, the RAS is 4,435 mm in length, 1,695 mm in width, 1,705 mm in height, and has the wheelbase of 2,685 mm. The carb weight of the SUV is 1,305 kg. Talking about the exterior design, the new RAS gets sportier rug look. Up front, it gets sleek LED projector headlights with inserted LED DRLs, more aggressive dark chrome radiator front grille with Toyota badging at the center, sleek black air inlets, updated front bumper with plenty of black cladding, bumper mounted black inserted LED fog lights housing, and front silver skid plate. The side profile gets power heated wall beams with indicated turn indicators, body color door handles, tinted glass, chrome strip at the windows, roof rail, large wheelers with black cladding, and new set of 17-inch crystal cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear profile of the car receives a new set of LED tail lights, Toyota badging at the center of the boot, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler mounted emergency braking light, shark fin antenna at the roof, rear fog lights, updated rear bumper with black cladding, and rear fog silver skid plate. The interior of the SUV has been updated with a number of updated features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials with silver highlights, new silver accented dashboard setup with dash mounted silver highlighted AC vents, decouped electric power adjustable leather wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, smart instrument cluster with safety FP display, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, smartphone connectivity, USB port, premium sound system with 6 speakers, remote trunk opener, front and rear 13 cup holders, auto climate control, vanity mirror, push button starting stop, digital video recorder, remote keyless entry, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with 6-way manually adjustable driver seats, rear second row seats with 60/40 splitting options, and third row seats with 50/50 splitting options, and bigger boot space. The SUV gets a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, brake assist, emergency stop signal, electric stability control, traction control, hill assist control, blind spot detection system, rear cross traffic alert system, pre-collision system, auto door lock, engine immobilizer, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, multiple airbags, cabin sensor, and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.